How to register Starbucks card in India. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Besnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can register your Starbucks card in India. Now basically you can do it so on the application. Now in my case, I'm not getting the sign in error currently. I'm not being able to sign into my account, so I'll just be guiding you through. You can head into the profile icon at the top right here that you can see there, and once you head here, what it does is you'll get the account option, and under account option you'll be able to register your card. Now in my case, it's not showing up because I'm not signed in. If you don't have the application, what you can do is you can head into your browser and Starbucks registration. You can search in for Starbucks card registration, or you can just type in Starbucks registration. You can see the first link, create a Starbucks account, and you can see the second one, register Starbucks card. You want to tap on it, and once you tap on it, it'll ask you to log in. You want to simply log into your account, and once you're logged in, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and register a card, so this way you can register Starbucks card in India. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.